I hope you know the consequences when it comes.
He'll fire me, right?
Good. Thank God you know.
And that's not a problem.
Huh?
What matters to me is that I am very close to my investment.
What is wrong with you? Well, my own is that you just have to be careful. You really have to be careful.
Bros, relax your mind, not to worry yourself. I heard his father is back.
Yes, so they said. He'll be resuming soon.
Oh, that'd be great. I'd love to see him. Funny enough, I've not met the man I'm working for.
You want to see the man?
Yes, now.
You see him when he resumes.
Hey! How'd I your babe?
She's visiting by the weekend.
Lover, boy. Lover, mister.
Honey? Lunch is served.
Oh.
And I would like to go down the road to pick some stuff. But you don't look too good. Are you sure everything is alright?
I'm fine. It's just some office stuff. Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
If you say so. Let me be going now.
It's alright.
So if you need anything, call Kito.
Okay.
She'll be at your beck and call.
Alright.
But what matters is that you're here with me.
You're not a big woman, no.
Oh, please. I pray that God gives us long life to achieve everything we've ever dreamed for.
Amen.
Come inside. Let me show you some more.
Goodness me! Look at this house.
Agunwa, my guy. Agunwa, my guy. Agunwa, what is happening now? Each time I come to your place, your door is always locked. Oh, you traveled. Can't see now. You don't mean it. Wait. You mean you saw her in the same office? Say no more, Agunwa. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to her house. Her mother must provide her. Agunwa, I was good there now. You know, that woman is evil.
Secretary, tell me, I need the truth.
Okay, sir.
What have you noticed about her lately?
Yes, sir. I think she is one of our new assistants.
What do you mean by that?
I saw them kissing.
What?
I think there's something going on between them.
Hold on. Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, sir.
You saw them kissing or about to kiss. I need you to be very specific here.
I saw them kissing.
I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go.
Alright, thank you. Thank you very much. Listen, I need you to keep an eye on her.
Okay.
In fact, on them. Okay, two of them.
Okay, sir.
Report to me if you see or suspect anything.
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Okay, sir.
Thank you for the information.
I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. My love, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you.
Mike,
Good day, sir.
I called you here because I can't find Omalisa's car around. Where is she?
Oh, she didn't come to work today, sir.
What?
Yeah, she didn't come to work today.
She didn't come to work today.
Yes, sir.
So it is true.
What's true, sir?
Where is that new secretary, that bastard? Where is he?
Bastard? He equally did not come to work, sir. Is anything the matter, sir?
This is making more sense, sir. Listen, Mike. If that bastard comes to this office again, if you see him, tell him that I said I will deal with him personally. I will deal with him for trespassing. And go back to your office.
Thank you.
Mama, Malita. Yeah, Mama, Malita.
Who is that stupid place? Ogini.
Mama, Malita. If you know where you keep Omalita, your daughter, who have you sold Omalita to?
Aguba. If you do not leave my compound now, I will do something to you that you will regret for the rest of your life.
What do you? Mama, Malita, imalo ni lejela Omalita, jekpo chieti azu. Jekpo po chieti Omalita azu. Mama, Malita.
Aguba, leave my compound.
I will not leave you.
Aguba, leave my compound. I will deal with you.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything, Mama Malita. Mama Malita, go and bring Omalita back. Oh.
Wait, you want Omalita here? You want me to bring my daughter? Wait, I'll bring
her.
Shall you come over here?
Investment.
Wait,
Mama Malita. Mama Malita, kwa mumbili.
Idiot. Come and stand now. Useless boy. Now village. Keep meandering all over the village.
Of course, I love you more. You know what, I was thinking, how about if we go on a vacation, just you and I? It would be so awesome. As always. Oh, are you making me blush?
Where is that bastard? Where is he? Where is that idiot?
Idiot?
You heard me? I said, where is he?
Baby.
Don't you dare baby me. You hear me? Don't you dare baby me, you liar. Where's that going?
Well, as you can see, I'm alone in my office. I don't know where he...
So it's been him all this while. So it's been Abu all this while, right? I will so deal with that bastard. I will deal with that one next time he hears my name. He will run as far as his legs can carry. As for you, Manager, you have the guts to lie to me. You're very lucky. You're very lucky I love you. I would have given you a dirty slap that even the hospital will reject you. Don't you dare baby me.
Baby, wait. Wait! Baby, wait!
Father, I won't have this. I mean, this madness has to stop, Father. You must sack that bastard you employ. What is all this? I mean, what is the meaning of this, Father?
Which bastard are you talking about?
Agunwa, of course. Agunwa, the man you employed into your company. That idiot has been on my case. I mean, he's even dragging Omalisha with me. To make matters worse, Father, he's fighting me. I mean, he fought me. What's this?
This is unbelievable. Incredible. I mean, I'm beginning to think that I made a mistake allowing him to work in my company. Anyway, son, just calm down, okay? Calm down. I will handle it, okay?
Father, there's no way I'll calm down. In fact, the only way I'm going to calm down is if you sack that bastard. Father, if you don't, I swear to God, I am going to kill him. I will kill him and face the consequences, Father.
But women, I don't know. Women of nowadays, what has overcome them? I mean, how could Omalicha of all people stoop so low to do this kind of a thing? Going to date my staff? Your own woman? No.
Father, just make my point. I don't want to mention Omalicha's name in this because it's obvious that he might be doing something on that innocent girl. Omalicha is innocent, so take her out of this. Father, please, for the sake of peace, let that guy leave that office. Else I am going to do the... Father, I am going to do something that all of us are going to regret it.
Just calm down.
You shouldn't bring the other side of me, Father.
Just calm down.
Father, you shouldn't bring the other side of me. Please, sack him.
It's okay. Omalicha. Sorry.
I have always told you to keep calm with your friends. Look at your head. See, it's plastered up.
I'm watching insult you and your mother. That's it.
Who cares about the insult? I don't. Okay, see what you've done. I'm sure he's busy searching everywhere just to arrest you with the police.
Who cares about that? I'm waiting for him. Let him come and arrest me.
The pain of it all is, I don't know what Chief and his wife must be thinking about me.
It doesn't matter, babe. Okay? What matters is what I think about you. And I'm protecting my investment, my woman, and I will do that for you. Listen, I can even take a bullet for you. For your sake. That's what matters, not them.
Obi, I'm sorry about your head.
It's okay. In fact, you're not going to work at that office again.
No.
No. You'll be at home here till we figure out what to do. You're not going to go back to that work. I don't want to lose you like the other time.
You won't lose me because I need to work so we can feed at least.
I will take care of you. You will be in this house. I will hustle, I'll run around. I'll provide anything you need until we're able to stand on our own, please.
Very possible.
You went top of the world today. Does not mean
I don't care. I can fight the whole world, but I can't fight you.
Why are women so stupid and greedy?
It's funny that it's coming from a woman that our fellow women are stupid.
See this one. When you guys don't mind that in check.
I will so deal with them. I will frustrate them, especially that fool, that bastard called Abu.
Wait, is it not that same Abuma that fought you back then in the village?
I'm telling you. He has the balls, he has the effort to show his stupid face here. And to think that he's working my father. Well, that makes it easy for me. I mean, that makes it easy for me to crush him.
Bro, you need to calm down.
Are you okay? I mean, why are you asking me to calm down?
Bro, either of which, it's going to get better. So calm down.
Ken, are you normal?
Okay.
I'm talking about someone taking my girl away from me and you're asking me to calm down. What's wrong with you?
J-boy, don't tell me you're still thinking about that Omalicha. Come on, my friend, there are still a lot of beautiful girls out there that can even love you more than she did.
I'm not looking for other girls. I am not in love with other girls. I'm in love with Omalicha. She brings me so much peace. So much love, so much happiness. She brought light into my world, so there's no way I'm going to let another man just show from nowhere and take it away from me. Never.
Okay.
It's impossible.
Bro, I need to emphasize clearly on something. Don't you think what's happening now is called karma? Yeah. He took what was his and he's back to get it.
What nonsense are you talking about? I don't understand. What do you mean I took what was his? What did I take?
Let me emphasize. You took Omalicha from Agunwa because he was poor. And then fate turned it round. Alright? He went through that length to get her back from you. Don't you think you should give this guy his flowers? Apparently he has fought for love. You should be proud of him.
You're very stupid, Ken. No, you're very lucky that you're far from me. I would have given you a very silly punch in your mouth. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with all this? No, are you here to console me or you're here to make mockery of me?
Don't mind this boy.
Hey, bastard! I'm talking about someone taking my away from me and you're here saying rubbish.
I'm sure if you were the one that you don't go drink snipe herself.
You will not accept the fact that you know the truth. And you're supporting him.
Hey.
Are you done drinking? Get out.
No vex.
Don't mind him.
Don't care. You can leave my house now.
I could get more for you. Don't tell me that, bro.
J-boy, it's okay. Sorry.
Oh, manager, what is wrong with you? I mean, why are you this stubborn?
Ruth, is it bad to love someone?
Wait a minute. You're squatting someone that does not have future.
You're not God.
Agunwa does not have future. Me and you know that one. This house you're living in, J-boy got it for you. The work, J-boy got it for you. So what is it that Afonwa will give you that J-boy has not given to you?
Love and memories.
You heard her. Love and memories. Are you not ashamed of yourself? A grown-ass woman like you coming to advise someone who is 100 times better than you are. Don't you think of your life? Since you started job hunting and man hunting, what have you grabbed? Anyways, which man would look at you when all you do is move from house to house and gossip about others?
Are you talking to me? No, like, are you referring to me?
If you do not take your sorry self out of this place now, I'll plaster your obituary all over the place.
Is this poverty?
I said,
Wait! Stop talking with your poverty!
Get out! Come on, get out! Fool.
Hi. GB. We shouldn't have dragged her out like that. You know she's still my friend.
There are some friends you need to cut off immediately. She's number one.
Come on, babe.
Babes. Food is ready. I made your favorite.
You cooked already?
Yes.
Let's not forget, yes, I have to go get some food stuff. We're running out of stock at home.
Don't worry. Just write out the list. I'll go get them myself.
No. I wouldn't want to stress you. Because
I said, don't worry. You're not going anywhere, okay? I'll go get them and prepare them for you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
No.
I don't want to lose you again. So you just sit your pretty self here till I'm back. Okay?
Okay.
See ya. Let me prepare the food.
Okay.
So you mean for some days she has not been to the office?
Yes.
This man wants to dare me in this town. Agon, I will so deal with you. I will so deal with you mercilessly. What if Agon was the new secretary?
We have not seen him since that incident occurred.
What? He has not come to the office too?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, manager. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
How's Chief doing?
Well, Chief is fine. He's doing well.
My regards to you.
Of course, he will hear. All right, return back to your office.
Bye.
Agunwa, what has come over you? You know you're stubborn.
Relax, nothing is happening. We are safe here.
I hope so. Because the tone he spoke was so scary. I'm only here as a friend to tell you to be careful and watch your back.
I know.
It's okay. How's Asa? How's she doing?
She's fine. She's sleeping inside.
I commend the way you fight for your woman. I'm super happy for it. Right. But you just have to be careful.
It's okay. I will, okay? Forget about that talk. I beg, what would you like to drink?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm filled. I was going to somewhere, so I decided to just check up on her.
That reminds me. How's that your babe self? What's her name?
Agunwa. Like you've forgotten about my woman's name now because you're living with a woman now.
No, not that now. You know that.
No. It's fine. Agunwa.
Why do you think like this now?
No problems. Gloria is fine.
Oh,
Gloria is right now.
Yeah.
She'll be visiting soon. She just finished her exams.
Oh, great. Congratulations to her.
Okay. No problems.
Son, you need to calm down. Everything will be fine. Please.
How do I just calm down? I swear to God, Mom, I will deal with that bastard. I will deal with him.
I know, but we need to put yourself together. Okay? I have instructed the manager to sack him with immediate effect.
That's better, Mom. I mean, that's better because if I see him in the office again, I swear with everything I've got, Mom, I am going to kill him and face the consequences.
Do you know where my problem lies? My problem lies with that girl, Omalicha. I am so disappointed in her. So deceptive. But it's okay.
My lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you. Omalicha, my lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover, I go do anything for you.
Babe.
How?
I'm fine.
Who is he?
Can I listen to you?
Mr. Man, if you don't get out of here now, cut off your neck.
No. See, you do not have fear at all. You don't have fear in you at all.
Who is this man?
Please.
Why are you doing like a cuckoo?
No,
You? I think get out of here before I cut off your neck, okay?
In the house I paid for? You must be stupid. You must be silly. In the house I paid for?
Get out of here.
Small Oga, your parents said I should come and call you. Sir? Sir?
What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why can't I have a peace? Why can't you let me be in this house? What is wrong with you?
He slapped me!
What?
J-boy? Slapped you?
You did what? Why can't I have my peace, father? I mean, why can't you people let me be? Let me be father.
You slapped her because of what?
Mom, let me be father. Please,
Let me have that drink. Let me have that. Let me have that drink.
Stop.
I said, let me have the drink.
Why are you behaving like a baby? Father, why can't you be a man?
Father, let me be, please.
Peace!
Just let me be,
like
father.
This?
Let me be.
What peace are you talking about?
What's all this, father?
Huh? A lion has given birth to a goat! Idiot! Look at you! You can't even be a man! Shit!
Because of a woman.
Mom, please, can you just let me have my peace, please? Go with him. Mom, please, go with him.
You yourself the more with alcohol. You think you can have your peace by taking so much alcohol into the system? Is that what you think? You can never have peace by taking in so much alcohol. See, you have slapped that girl that has done nothing to you because of alcohol. Does that mean peace? Does that mean peace?
Nebiko, if it is that bad, you better come back here. Come back to this village and stay with me, Biko. I don't want anything to happen to you. It's because she's a good friend now. She's looking out for you. But why will you even choose Agunwa over J-Boy? Agunwa of 4 people. Ogin in a medagi. I don't want anything to happen to you. That's what I'm saying, Biko.
I will be fine.
Okay. So, what is his parents saying? What are they saying?
So what do you want them to say? There are some they are going to be thinking about. So they will want to make sure that their son is happy. And that's not what happens.
Should I come over? Let me come and stay with you. Let me come over now, or better still, come back here. You are sure you're fine? Okay, Ngwanu.
Hey Jay, good morning.
Hold your greetings. I'm not here for that. Go in there and call that bastard. Tell him to come here and face me man to man.
Why are you... What's going on out there? A minute, I'll be right back. Jay. You brought the police to my...
You must be silly to ask me such stupid question. I said go in there and call that bastard.
He's not here!
What do you mean? Are you covering for him? Omancha, are you covering for him?
Then ask the police to go in and search for him.
Alright. Fine. Tell that bastard to get ready for me. By the time I'm done with him in this town, let him run as far as his legs can carry. Cover him as much as you can.
Talking to you.
What is it?
Please, I am begging you to release him.
I am not going to release him. You hear me? I am not going to release him. As a matter of fact, he's going to remain there until I decide what to do with him.
You are not getting anything from this. Please, I am pleading with you. Release him.
So what have I done to you? I mean, what? Why do you want to go back to that guy? That idiot, that fool! What can he do for that I have not done for you? I gave you a new house. I took you on a vacation. I gave you a new life. I took care of your mother. Yet I changed everything about you. What does he want from me? Why are you treating me like this? This is so unfair. I'm sorry. Okay, no. I'm sorry I shouted at you. Please. Babe, why don't you want to kiss me?
Jay, can we not do this right now? Can you please release him? Please.
You're still talking about Agonwa. That reminds me. What was my father's picture doing in your house? Who kept it there? Because the last time I checked, I never gave you my father's photograph. I come to think of it, that was his old photograph. Who kept it there?
Well, I wouldn't know. Agunwa usually holds a photograph, or I didn't check the photo to know who is on it. I don't know.
Agunwa kept my father's photograph in your house? So he has been planning this all along. Agunwa wanted to kidnap my father.
No.
Is that the kind of bastard you want to spend?
No!
A criminal?
He wouldn't do something.
What are you talking
like
about?
Jay, come on.
Don't touch me! Are you part of this?
No,
a criminal?
He wouldn't do something like that.
What are you talking about?
What are you even saying? He's not that person.
So what my father's photograph doing in your house?
I wouldn't know.
There's something you're hiding from me.
Stop this. Stop this.
Is that something you're hiding from me?
Release
Don't
it.
touch me! There's something you're hiding from me.
You know what? I can't deal with you when you're like this. I'm out of here.
Babe? Babe? Shit! Fool!
So, how do you know that he tried to kidnap me?
Now look at this. Is this not your photograph? That I found this in Omalicha's room the moment it was being taken away by the police. This is your photograph.
Well, I need to see that Agunwa boy.
What? You want to see him, Dad?
Yes.
All right. Well, he's at the police station.
I need to see him. Now. Let's go. Let me just. Agunwa Obi. So how did you know me?
Are you not the one in the picture?
How did you get that picture?
It was given to me by my mother before she died.
So, who is your mother, my son?
Agnes Obi. She died of breast cancer. So you're my father?
Yes.
You're evil. You're very wicked.
You won't understand, my son. You can't.
You let me? Who told you where I was?
My son. Your brother. Well, don't worry.
Who is your son?
Dear boy. You are here now. I'm here for you. Everything will be fine. Okay.
J-Boy is your son?
Ah, welcome to your home, son.
Thank you, Father.
Father, what's going on here? What are you doing here?
J-boy, I think it's time we amended the wrongs of the past years. Let us go into the house. Let's go.
No way, Father. No way. There's no way this lunatic is entering this house. Get out.
J-boy!
Father said you should get out!
J-boy, don't get me angry. What's wrong with you? Huh? I said let us go inside. If you want to hear me out, let us go in there so that I can talk to you.
Father, let's go.
Father, no way. There's no way this idiot is entering.
Is something wrong with you?
Father, I said he's not going anywhere.
Are you okay?
Father, I don't like this, Father. I don't like this. But
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, yo. Baby mo, carry me there go. Omalicha mo, my love.
Sweetheart,
I go do anything.
I'm deeply sorry. The truth of the matter is that it wasn't intentional for me to hide such a sensitive information from you. You know, circumstances beyond my control actually forced me to. Okay? So I'm sorry.
How do I react to this? Oh my word. How do I react to this right now? Because I cannot wrap my head around this whole situation. But let me ask you, are you trying to say that that bluffy thing is your son? I see. But lend me your ears, honey. You see that thing? He can never be a part of this peaceful family. Never! Not on my watch!
Mom, I do not have time for this nonsense discussion you people are having here. Father, listen. It will never work. See that bastard you brought in here as your son? It will never work!
Will you keep quiet?
Alright.
I'm talking to my wife.
It's okay.
Idiot. Sweetheart, his mother and I were deeply in love, you know. At a point, she was terminally sick, you know. And financially, I wasn't stable. So I had no option but to abandon her. And I came to the city to hustle, right? But I wasn't oblivious of the fact that she was pregnant for me before I left. So that was what happened.
Did you listen to yourself? Like, did you hear what you just said? Anyway, I don't care what you said or what you're about to say. But bottom line is that thing can never be a part of this family. And that's final! That's final!
Dad, let me say this here now. I don't want to insult you because you're my father. If that bastard you brought here spends one night in this house, Father, you won't like it. You will not like my action, Father. I will forget the fact that you're my father and I just said, I have made my point.
Will you stop pointing your fingers at me?
You will not say this.
Stop pointing your fingers at me. Are you mad?
You want to destroy the peace of this family and I will allow you.
I will slap you if you want to slap me. Point your fingers at me, father.
Are you only because of that bastard? Slap me because of him, Father. Go ahead and slap me.
Rubbish. Please sit down. Please, I don't want any complications. Sit down. From the blues, I have another son.
At least now that he's out of prison, maybe we'll come back to his senses. So, where is he now?
Well, girlfriend, that's why I called you. I wanted to talk to you.
About what?
Well, you know, Chief Obi has only one son.
Yes.
Like we thought.
Yes, that's J-Boy.
In fact, J-Boy happens to be his second son.
I don't understand.
Okay. Let me explain it to you. You remember I told you Agu's mother died a couple of years back and she was critically ill, right?
Yes.
And I also told you her husband left her when she was critically ill because he was not financially stable to take care of herself then.
Oh, Malicha, I remember that also. Go straight to the point. My head is already doing kitty kitty kata kata.
Guess who her husband is?
Who?
Chief Obi.
Hold on, I don't understand. Are you trying to say Agunwa is Chief Obi's son, or Abi Chief Obi is Agunwa's father?
Yes, to both questions.
Hey! We're still favored now. Hey, now he's still favoring us now.
What do you mean?
That J-Boy or Agunwa, are we not still favored? What are you talking about?
Are you sure you're okay? All this proves to me, you know what? I can't even deal with you right now because the only reason I see that you're not married is because of this, your greed, your evil-mindedness and money-mindedness. Come on, what is this?
Is it me that you're talking to like that?
Please, just shut your mouth. Don't argue this one. I'm just thinking, like, do you even think that I wanted to even go with J-Boy in the first place? I don't know what I oh God. All I need to do right now is to see her go. You know. Then perhaps call my mom, tell her everything that is happening.
This is still turning my eye. The poor Agunwa, a billionaire.
Bro, don't make me regret calling you.
No, but is it not Agunwa again?
What's this one?
Is it not a surprise to you? How would you tell me that Agunwa is a billionaire? How would they wear monkey coats now?
As your birthday present.
Are you for real, Father?
Of course,
oh my God. Oh my God, this is wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much, Dad.
I'm happy you like it.
I love it.
With this, your logistics will be smooth.
I believe so, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
No
Dad.
problem. Look, son, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to ask me.
I sure will, Dad. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
No problem.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Oh my God! Agunwa, or whatever useless name they call you. I can see your temporary stay in this house is becoming something else.
J-Boy, Dad bought me a new car.
Who cares? Listen, the next time you touch any of my things again, even my clothes, I'll make sure you die that day.
J-Boy, what is wrong with you? Huh? You walked in here, you didn't even greet me? And your brother, today's his birthday, you didn't even wish him well?
Oh, Dad, please stop. Not cut out for any useless conversations.
Mind the way you talk to Dad.
What? You now have the balls to talk back at me? I don't blame you. He's my father. You go look for your father. Idiot. Burn the clothes, I do not need them.
Don't worry. Everything is fine, okay? I admire your peaceful way of approaching things, okay? You are just like your mother. It's just that even though your mother is very peaceful, but when it comes to money, you cannot predict her. She's something different.
All the same, thank you very much, Father. I really appreciate this.
No problem.
Can I drive it around?
Enjoy your ride. I'll be inside.
All right, then.
I invited Omalija here to let us know who amongst two of you that she would want to spend the rest of her life with. What I don't want is someone leading my sons on.
Father, listen, I don't know the reason for this useless meeting you just called. I don't know the meeting. I don't know the essence of this meeting. She's wearing my ring, Father. You know the meaning of that. I just engaged her. What does you want her to say, Father? I mean, what exactly do you want her to say?
J-boy, you already insulted me. You called my meeting useless. On top of that, you were pointing your fingers at me. I'll let it pass. But I want to tell you, we have to allow her to speak for herself. Okay?
All right.
Amalicha.
Yes, sir.
Who amongst my sons would you want to spend the rest of your life with?
The thing is, Jerry is such a good man. He's really nice. He's done a lot for me. He's taught me how to invest and manage money.
I'm not saying all of this because I found out his office. The truth is, that is my first love, and I still love him. I'll go with it.
What's this madness you just said? I mean, what's the meaning of all this nonsense you just said now? What's the meaning of it? I said, what is the meaning of it?
Does not mean that you're God, that you're God. I am marinated you are more before. I am marinated more before. You are more. I am marinated you are more before. You are more.
Told you, don't tell me anything, Father. Don't tell me anything. You better take him as your brother.
What nonsense?
You better accept.
You have not seen anything, Father. You have not seen anything. Really? You cannot just go out on the street and put one idiot and bring him here and impose him on me.
You are calling my son.
He's a bastard.
Be careful. Be careful this one.
Therefore, be careful. See what you just said? What you just said is just a tip of the iceberg. By the time I'm done with that idiot, Father, I am going to burn this house. Mark my words, I am going to burn this house.
Burn which house?
You don't want to enjoy the peace you have been enjoying this house. I'll burn this house.
Burn which house, big George? Burn which house?
Did you just love me?
Yes, I did.
I am leaving you. Just don't push me. Father, don't push me.
You're still pointing
I am going to listen to you because you are sorry what is all this? You don't think someone from nowhere I want to impose it on me. I will. Hey.
That means Chief really loves Agunwa to let you come stay with them.
It's not like I'll be staying there permanently. I'll still be visiting though. Okay?
Omechi, I'm not comfortable with this. What if J-Boy hurts you?
Well, I know things and I know it's not easy for him right now, but he'll get used to it. Over time, he's going to realize everything. I'm sure everything will just fall into place. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Hello? Baby? What? When? How? Where are you both? Okay, I'm coming right there. Alright.
What happened?
Chief, he's dead. They said, he said they had a fight and he slumped when he saw them fighting, I think. You know what? Here, let me just get reset and pick one or two things.
J-Boy, you must make sure that you claim all your father's thoughts.
Don't worry, Mom. I will get it all. As for that fool, Agunwa, I will make sure he suffers in this house. As for Malicha, if you dare betray my love, I will make you suffer. I will make her go through pain for betraying my love, for choosing Agunwa over me. I will make them suffer. They will wish for death, but death will be far from them.
As we all know that our brother, Chief Obi, is no more. It's right we share his property equal amongst you. I still remember his last wish. I mean his last message. He told us, we his brothers, that immediately he dies, his property must be shared equally.
Uncle, all I'm saying is, as the only son of Chief Obi, my loving father, I own all his property. The cars, the mansions, the estates, including the ones scattered abroad. As a matter of fact, including this one, this very mansion we are seated in.
So what becomes of me?
And how is that my business?
Chief was also my father.
Uncle, want this bastard here never to interfere in family business again.
What?
I mean, there was no DNA carried out to ascertain if this lunatic here is actually my father's son, let alone the first son. Now my dad is dead. He shows up from nowhere, claiming inheritance. What I was expecting this lunatic to do was to go on his knees and plead with me if I will accept him as my gateman or even my driver. He said, speaking rubbish.
Did I hear you say driver?
Yes, Mom.
He gets nothing out of Chief's property, and that's fine now.
What are you talking? This is not fair now. Chief is also my father. Uncle?
Agunwa, traditionally, we don't know you. You don't belong here. In as much as our late brother claimed you back before his demise, we don't even know if your mother is telling us the truth. So as for now, leave us.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Thank you. Let me quickly say this here now. You see that car my father bought for you before he died? I need you to drop the keys.
You heard? Don't push me. You heard me.
I'm looking for something. Give us something.
You can't get out of this place. What's wrong with you?
You are going to leave here before tomorrow.
No, let us conduct tomorrow. We have to conduct that DNA to find out the truth.
You must leave this place first.
Now.
You must leave first. Leave
my house.
I am not going to leave my inheritance. And they pulling out of my investment. You're talking out of my inheritance.
Uncle, okay.
You are going to
see
argue that outside this house.
You get moved from this house. I'm waiting for you to push me out.
Else! Agunwa, don't stay.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. You can't come over to the house now, please. No. You know that my friend, the one I told you about. Agunwa now. Yes, he's here with his girlfriend. Yes, they are having accommodation issues, so I'm just trying to help out. But as soon as I finish with them, I'll be coming over to your place. Alright, thank you. Sure. Agu. Sorry, my girlfriend.
Oh, it's okay.
You don't have a problem. You guys can stay as long as you want.
Mike, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike. God bless you.
No problem. She understood.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, my only regret was not a test done while he was alive.
Baby, you don't have to dwell in the past. Trust me, everything will come together just in time.
Yeah, she's right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, babe, you're welcome to my house, and I want you to feel free. Just relax, take care as your home, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Agu, let me just leave the both of you. I'll be inside.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Udo.
Lost our home, our jobs, everything. Why?
We haven't lost our lives. I believe on his life, there's hope. Right? Let's take it one step at a time. It's all work out to be fair.
Yes, I can never start afresh. I won't go back to square one. I will work and earn a living and change our situation.
I trust you. And now, how do we do that?
I have some savings left in my account. We'll just get an accommodation of that range, move into it, and then become the basis of our lives.
So I also have some little savings.
Thank you, Manita. Thank you. Thank you.
This food is delicious. Trust Kito when it comes to the kitchen. The virus. Son, guess who I saw today?
Who, Mom?
Take a wild guess.
Mom, you know I'm not in the mood for guessing.
I saw Aguma. The issue is not seeing Aguma, but where did I see Aguma? Wonders they say shall never end. I saw Aguma hawking sachet water. Hey, he wants to come and drag what I suffered all these years to make.
You have not seen anything yet. This is just little compared to what is yet to come. They have not seen anything yet. They will suffer and suffer until there will be nothing left of them. Hi. Good day. Uncle?
My son.
Welcome. Mom? Okay.
Most welcome.
What's up?
This is the family life. And he has something to say to us.
Oh. All right, lawyer. I'm listening. Let's hear you.
What about the other son?
Which son are you talking about?
Chief has 2 sons.
Are you mad? No, are you insane or something?
Ask him. Which son are you talking about? My son here is the only son that you've had. There is no other son anywhere. Or do you know what's any other one?
Unfortunately, ma, Chief has 2 sons. And he instructed that his family be present before the will be read, including his 2 sons.
That's madness. Listen, my late father never told me any of this nonsense you just said now.
I knew about it, son.
What? Same here.
I know about it.
Mom? Uncle, you knew about my late father's illness and you kept it away from me? You never told me, Mom? Why?
I didn't tell you because your father didn't open up to me either. It was Kito that found out the result while sweeping the house some time ago. I was actually waiting for your father to open up and talk to me as the wife, but he didn't do that. So I didn't know how to start talking to you about it. I'm sorry though.
That's fine. We need to call him to ask if he's available or we should reschedule.
You fool, I am going to deal with you. I'm mercilessly.
It's all right. Just calm down. It's all right. Lawyer. Yes. You said you're not going to say anything until he's present, right? Okay.
Right, right.
Calling the idiot, of course. Hello? Yeah, I know you must be wondering why I called. Listen, tell Agunwa that his presence is needed here immediately.
Wail of late Chief Obi goes like this. How are you all doing, my beautiful family? Indeed, family they say is key. I love you all. My darling wife, who has been taking care of me, I love you. My son, J-Boy, who has always been a good boy and has never brought bad name to this family. And my son, Agonwa, who has been a channel to remember old memories of my late wife, Agnes. I love you, son. You are indeed a brave man. And I pray that you find happiness with your heartthrob, Omalicha. And please, do well to name my grandson after me when she puts to bed. I hereby state that the following properties be shared among my beautiful family. To my wife, she will be managing all my poultry farms at Enugu State, since she loves farming and other agricultural activities. And to my son, Jay, you will be in charge of 20% of my properties in Port Harcourt, including the new house at the new site. While Agonwa, being the first son, will be in charge of 80% of my state properties, scattered all over the state. He will be the rightful owner to the mansion and the new CEO to the obese company, while my brothers will be given 20 million naira each for their love and support. I love you all. Please stay united till we meet in heaven.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Is that a will? No, is that a will? You think I don't know your plan? I think I don't know your plan? That's nonsense! There's no way that thing is work. Uncle, please allow me.
A lawyer. Respect the lawyer.
What's that?
J-Boy, if you go contrary to this will, I will sue you. Yes, remember your father wrote this will.
Thank you very much, Barrister. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you for adhering to my father's instruction. Chief Obinam, rest in peace. I will continue from where you stopped.
This is unfair. This is absurd. How can Chief chase me out of this house? How can Chief do this to me? After all these years? Huh? Oh, God. Oh.
Okay. First get out. You're done, right? I said you're done. Get out.
Barrister, sit tight.
But I said get out. You think I don't know your plan? No, you think I don't know your plan? You brought this son of Mary Royal to come and read this rubbish. This nonsense. I think get out of the house.
J-Boy, do not let me use the authorities against you.
Agunwa. We shall see. Okay. You think I don't know your plan? You think I don't know your plan? You plan with this child of Bailey idiot. Agunwa. It's okay. We shall see.
Hey, Garuba, what are they for this house?
See, that Agunwa na better person. I don't just know why J-Boy no just want to accept her.
I did tell you. Hey, me too, I like him. I like him. I just don't know. Yes, now.
I like her, she like her because if not, if like say na J-Boy, when your papa just die like this, if I don't push you, if I don't sack all of us.
That one.
What if I explain give? Say my security work where they use to make my state, they don't collect her. Chief security officer work.
Garba, your own is even because me, I know they ready to go back to that village at all. I rather die in this compound.
When you don't commit for village now, why you want to go back? How you go fit go back? Person we don't commit for village, how you go take you back?
You go mumu. You go this idiot. So because say I come here, make I come discuss with. At least I dey discuss with that person. Who he be again?
Come up for here. Who
want
me to discuss with me? Come on.
Point of correction. I am the chief chef. You are just an ordinary gate man, useless boy.
No come here again.
Come and do waiting.
Every time you come here.
Shift.
You don't see me inside there before.
Come shut up your mouth.
No, every time you come outside, you gossip. You don't even tell me to gossip.
Me they gossip. As if say you don't like what they tell you. Talk through, say you don't like what
I
they
like
tell
him.
you. You don't like him.
Stay 1 minute.
Okay, talk through, say you don't like him. Okay, that.
No come outside here.
What are they doing for you? If you
see me. Come outside here.
Gossip. We don't commit for village. How you go soon die for gossip? Ew.
Mom, please stop. Stop the test. Oh, sit. Sit. Oh, come on, Mom, please stop this now. Stop it. You know I don't like this. Mom, there's no need crying. Mom, we still have so much money. We're still wealthy. No, we're not poor yet. The house we are moving into is also a big mansion. There's no point crying, Mom. Listen, everything will be fine. You know I just decided to calm down.
You need to calm down, son. You know that Agunwa is a troublemaker. And now that he has money, he may decide to hurt us.
Hurt us?
I only hurt people who have hurt me. You are free to stay back in this house because you're my father's wife. Even though you treated me very badly, and I might be tempted to treat you the same when you felt you were on top of the whole world. You see how the tides have turned? You see how so very wrong it is to treat people badly. I might be a fighter, you know, but I am not a bad person.
Listen, we are not fighting you. We are not fighting you anymore. Please, leave us alone.
You still haven't learned your lessons. You're still talking to your elder brother in that tone. I have never taken anything that belonged to you. I am the first blood from my father to come into this world. I was the first to meet Omalicha. You took them all away from me. I give you from now till tomorrow to leave this house. You may decide to stay like I told you earlier, but if you do not wish to, you might as well follow him. Good night, fellas.
Mom, listen, there's no way of staying here. Mom, there's no way you're staying in this house. If this idiot insults you, I won't find it funny. You're living with me. Mom, you hear me? You're living with me.
I'll live with you.
And please do remember to drop the car keys before you leave. It's very important. Very, very important.
I just wish I could strangle this idiot. I've never caused all this nonsense.
I never knew that events would turn like this. I should have been nicer to him, you know.
It's okay, Mom. Stop. It's okay. It's okay. Mom, stop this now. Stop it.
Garba! What are they still doing inside? Go inside and find out and drag them out.
Let's go. There's no need crying. Please. Everything will be fine. Alright?
This is so unfair. This is so unfair.
Ndebe Chifobi. It's about time. I will see you when I see you.
Come, let's go. Mind the seat.
Where's it going? Hey, this way.
Don't start.
I told you no longer have access to any
Don't
car.
start. Mom, let's go.
Garba!
Don't start. Mom, let's go.
Direct them this way. Carry them.
What's wrong with this idiot? Don't touch me. How dare you?
Are you okay?
Don't start. Don't start, Agunwa. Don't start.
This way.
Let's go.
This way. This way.
You'll regret this.
This
Mark
way.
my word, you will regret this.
Thank you. This way.
You'll regret this.
Babe. Yeah.
I feel for them though.
You don't have to feel for them. Nobody has ever treated me like I meant nothing than that woman. They don't deserve anything. Now their exit calls for celebration. So we're going to go in there and pop some champagne.
Well, at least they got something out of everything. They didn't lose everything after all. Besides, my mother says she's coming in today.
You don't mean it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're having triple celebration. So let's go inside, get things set. Now that Mama is coming, maybe we'll have some barbecue at the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Trust you. You know I'll always fight for you. You're my best.
Silver and gold I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you, baby. More carry me there, girl. My love, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Amaricha. My love, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover, I go do anything for you. You're my world, investment moon. Achalugamu, one day sobugamu. People come and see my world, investment moon. Achalugamu, my lollipop, one day sobugamu. I don't want to lose you, my dear. Nothing can come in between us. I love you beyond anything, baby more. I love to see you happy, love you more. If I lose you, my dear, I will run mad, yo. From here till you see them, I go do anything for you, Amaricha, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover, my lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world, investment. Come and see. Achalugamu, Amalicha, one day so the most beautiful. My world, investment. Achalugamu, one day so bugamo. We shall be together at the end of the time. No one can take you